What's up guys, the KDBs here. So I thought I would just do a follow-up tutorial to tutorial I did a video earlier today. So yeah, I kind of forgot to show you guys how to make a basic project, stuff like that. So when you start up your server, you will have empty your project list. So it's actually quite easy to make a new project. You just have to go to the WAMP folder and go to www and make a new folder in here. Like I can make one called test, and if I refresh this page, there's a new project called test. When I click on it, it will just show me the directory. So when you make a new project and you want the default, like when you click on test, it will open up a web page instead of the document view. You have to make a file called index.html, .php, or whatever you call your files. I'm gonna use index.php, and it's important that it's all lowercase, unless it won't work. So if you see here, if I refresh, it now redirects me to the index page instead of showing me the like the folder view. So here I'll just make a simple PHP script to show that it can run PHP. So I'm just gonna make an echo hello world. Whoops, I'm gonna do that. Let me just, there we go, echo and hello world. Just gonna end it here, hit save. You can see here, if I now go back to my site and refresh, it says hello world. So this is the basic way just to create a project. Also, one of the things I've done before is deleting this, or just using the folder view instead of this front page. It's sometimes easier if you don't build it up as projects. So if you go to your www folder again, you can just go here to the index.php file and rename it to something like 1, and if you then reload the local host, you'll see it'll show up as a folder view instead. So that's sometimes a bit easier. It's kind of depends on how you build up your folders. I was gonna stay with index. Whoops, index. Let's do that again. So index, and it's important that it's all in lowercase. So if I refresh here, you can see it's back to normal. And yeah, if you see here, my folder view looks like this. Of my CSS fonts, images, and all that stuff. So to make a basic database, and yeah, we're also going to work with that in some later tutorials, you just have to go under here, tools, phpMyAdmin. You can see up here you have the databases, and you can create new databases here, and let's just test database. So if I make a database here, open it up, you can see here I can create a new table called, for example, users or something like that. I'll give it 5 columns. So when you like want to save information about the user, you want to get an ID, and it's auto incrementing, so it automatically change from 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on and so on. So yeah, it's pretty simple when you learn the system. So yeah, I think that's all for today, guys. If you have any more questions about WAMP, just send me a message and I will try to help you. So yeah, I think that's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Please go and rate and subscribe.